I think that the evolution of life after this point in time, so specifically intelligent life, is very, very unlikely. I mean, when we consider the expansion of the universe, or as Phil said, it's just growing out, it's not really occupying any real space, which is such a mind-boggling thought. Anyways, when you consider that, you have to think about the matter that was first clustered at the beginning of the universe in the Big Bang. And now that it's all spreading out from each other, we have to also consider how this interstellar dust and gas and the rest of the matter, how much, obviously we see it recycled in the lifetimes of stars, and when they die, new stars are born, and so on and so forth. But you have to consider that when this matter is dispersed farther and farther away from each other, that also makes it harder for them to really form sustainable solar systems or even galaxies. And I mean that in the way where it's sustainable for intelligent life. Because where we are right now, it is still a cosmic coincidence. Even, a long time ago, when we formed, it was still such a coincidence. But we had a better chance then based on how much matter was clustered at that point in time. And now that it's farther out, that would make it even harder for a place like Earth to actually exist, to foster intelligent life. That's not to say that no organism can exist anywhere else in the universe. It's just more likely that this life is not intelligent or sapient.